Morning everybody. I tell you, it's been hot. We've had a bit of a heat wave. There's a bit of a cyclone heading down this way, so it's quite windy outside already, but it'll be fine. Okay, so I've had some computer problems lately. One is I'm running out of space in this box for hard drives. And the second thing is, since I put this big graphics card in, this 4070 12 megabyte graphics card in, which I'm actually running when I'm gaming, I'm running the computer pretty much flat out. And this little water cooler I've got up the top here, which is a small radiator, it's not keeping up with the extra work. It was fine when I had the 3070 in there, but now I've got the 4070 in there. It's basically just overheating now. Fan parts arrived, and for me to fix my cooling issues with my computer. I'm not sure what's wrong with the other one. I think the pump or something's playing up in it, the water pump, and it only being a 2-fan system. Fan parts arrived, and for me to fix my cooling issues with my computer. I'm not sure what's wrong with the other one. I think the pump or something's playing up in it, the water pump, and it only being a 2-fan system, it's not keeping up. The CPU's overheating and I'm having all sorts of problems with that. So it's time to upgrade. Alright, the first thing I went and did was go and buy this, the Kraken 360 RGB cooler. As you can see, it's got a little screen on the front there. The fan blades are total rubbish, but the radiator's good. It's an aluminium cord radiator. Why are the fans rubbish, Chris? Well, they're old school. Look at all these wires. Look at them all. So the new fans now. Alright, I went and bought these Lanley. That's a set of 3 radiator fans. SL120 version 2s, Lanley. And then I bought 3 more fans, but in the reverse blade format. There they are there. I didn't buy them in a set because I only need the one controller, and it's actually cheaper to buy the just the single fans if you don't need the controller. And this controller will handle quite a lot. Each lead will handle 6 fans. So, and these are, what do they call these? These are, the company makes their own plugs, like nothing else. Well, there's a normal one there. But yeah, nothing else will plug into that. Alright, so they're the radiator fans. They're the fans that go into the bottom of the case that suck the air in through the bottom. These will vent out the side, and we'll see how that goes. I might add more fans later. We're just seeing how this all works, whether I need to put any more in after this. I think I should be right. Okay, so it's all together. Finding all the holes. I did find an extra USB-C plug up there, so we've got that in there now. I'm still waiting on a double adapter for this USB inlet here, but that's the USB-C taken care of. And got all the wires in down the bottom there. As you can see, the anti-sag device is working well. Okay, so it's all together. I'll just quickly show you what it looks like from the back. This is the last section of this video. You can see the cases here. I'm still waiting for a splitter cable for that USB 3 that plugs in up there, so I can plug both those in. See the graphics cards all in. I may put another set of 3 fans down the bottom, I don't know yet. These back ones there we're looking at, they're reverse blades, so they're sucking the air in through the filter. And then the top ones there are blowing the air out. You can see the CPU temperature, which is running really good. And on the L-Connect 3 app there, you can see the power being used, the CPU load and the GPU load. Because there's no filter on that, I may put another 3 down here because I've got this filter, and that way I'll have positive air pressure in the case. At the moment it's still negative air pressure. I mean, there's enough holes there, nothing's lacking for air, but it may pull air through the unfiltered sections and get the inside really dirty. So you want a positive air so it actually forces the excess air out those big holes at the back there. And that's what the back of it looks like. And in there, right there's my power supply. There's filters there, filters down the bottom. No filter here because it's blowing the air out, and I don't want to restrict the flow. And no filters there because they can't really fit them, which is why you want to keep a positive air pressure. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video. It's a bit on the long side. I did a lot of work, and I'll get it all together and upload it to you. Cheerio. Keep safe everyone. Bye for now.